Hello and what is going on, Workhorse Army, Ape Centaur gang? We rise up today, and guys, today we're gonna be analyzing Workhorse one more time. I love this stock, guys. I really like Workhorse, and I really like what I'm seeing with this stock, and I really think there's a lot of money to be made on Workhorse, guys. So we're going to be getting into this update in just a second. If you guys appreciate all these constant updates, I highly appreciate that early thumbs up on the video. Leaving a like on the video not only helps me out, but it helps you guys out as well, because it gives more Workhorse exposure, which is exactly what we need right now on this stock, guys. So I am pumped up. I'm ready to make this video. Remember, you guys can join my Discord. The link is in the description or in the pinned comments section. We talk about Workhorse, we talk about other stocks. We just like to make money there over on Discord. So if you like to make money, sign up for Discord using that link below. Also in the description and the pinned comment section, you can find the link to sign up for public, where you get up to $70 in free stock just for signing up, as long as you deposit at least $1. So check out those links in the description and pinned comment section. And guys, let's get right into the video. Alright, so here we have Workhorse, and Workhorse is down about 1% on the day. And guys, I'm telling you, there's some juice involved. The short sellers are getting very, very greedy with this stock. We go to the week chart, down 10% on the week. It's so painful to see that. On the month, down 20%. And our peak was at $17 a share, and we're back down to $12 a share, wiping off about $5 in share price on the stock, and it's just being oversold completely. If we do some technical analysis on Workhorse, you guys can clearly see that we got a huge volume spike yesterday morning, getting our biggest green candle that we've seen ever since that run up that we saw just a few weeks ago. So now we're looking good. I think we're primed for a reversal, and we filled this gap down. You see how we gapped up over here? We filled this gap down completely and got bought back up. So that is looking like a very, very, very strong bottom here at $11.50 per share. And if this thing does go any lower than the price we're at right now, be extremely greedy under $12 a share, guys. Getting the Weeble perspective on here, you guys can see we're trading in this same Fibonacci level, and you guys can see we're using that 25 moving average, the blue line, very, very strongly. In my video yesterday, I said that perhaps now that we broke out on this green candlestick of this downtrend, where we were using this 25 moving average as a resistance line, and it sold off every time it hit this point. Boom, it hit the point. Boom, it sold off. Boom, it hit the point, it sold off. You guys get the point. Well, now that we broke out above it on this green candle, we're definitely looking like we're in an uptrend. You see, we went under that 25 moving average, but we closed that hourly candlestick above it, and we're continuing to stay above it. We're going to have to pay attention to that 25 moving average going forward, because it's been such a strong indicator of the Workhorse price. And yeah, guys, we're about to get into some oversold territory on Workhorse, and I am just bullish coming into this next week, guys. We have to get into the Ortex data to really take a look at what exactly is going on with this stock. So first of all, we got to look at this chart. Before we get into the live changes, we got to look at this chart. So the first thing that I've really noticed on this one is not only has the short interest been going up like absolute crazy over the past few days, we have also seen the shares, the average age on loan go down like absolute crazy, which shows that shorts are piling into Workhorse, guys. The average days on loan has gone down from around $55 a share as of 3 days ago. Not $55 a share, 55 average days on loan as of 3 days ago, all the way down to 46 average days on loan, which means that shorts were piling in this week. So as we were running down, as we were doing all this, guys, as the stock was going down, as shorts were, in fairness, we're winning this one. They were winning this one. The stock price was going down. Shorts continue to pile on, guys. They continue to pile on. And short interest has been going up as well. We were at 37 as of Tuesday, and now we're up to 39% as of today. The shares on loan have also been going up like crazy. 7 days ago, there were 64.89 million shares on loan. We're now back to 67.36 million shares on loan, and the utilization has gone up to 97.81%, and there are barely any shares left to be put on loan. Guys, this is very important. The shorts are getting more greedy. We have been subject to short ladder attacks, and there is still the discrepancy of 22 million share difference between the amount of shares that are on loan and the estimated short interest. So what these extra 22 million shares are doing that are on loan and they're just paying this borrow rate for, I don't know, guys. I really don't know what their plan is. I think what's going on is they are borrowing these shares so that they have collateral to short in the money call options to get away with this short interest. So I think the short interest is more like 60% on Workhorse than whatever it's at right now, about 40%. And that's just how I feel personally. You guys can disagree, but I think they're using those shares on loan to do a bunch of options activity. Anyways, guys, just taking a look at some of the live short interest changes. Nothing too excited. 39.82% estimated short interest. The cost to borrow 6.49% on average, which is not too high at all. And there's 900,000 shares returned and another 1.66 million shares borrowed. So this short interest is going up. People are continuing to short even at $12 per share. And this is important because they're just going to keep hammering us if we don't get this buy volume up, guys. Now, the biggest risk that I see for Workhorse is now we're taking a look at this live feed from Reddit. We have the popular section right here, and we can't even see, like, you guys can't even see Workhorse on this list. My face is covering Workhorse. We go all the way down. It's right under CLF right here, and CTXR and TSM and Microsoft AIM. Workhorse is all the way in last place. We only have 808 mentions on Wall Street, on all of Reddit, pretty much, at least what this is scanning in the past 24 to 48 hours, I believe. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, you guys can see that it's still nowhere to be seen. We scrolled down, only 87 mentions in the last 4 hours, guys. Workhorse is not getting the social sentiment that we need, and this is definitely the biggest risk, guys. If people aren't talking about Workhorse, we're not going to get that retail buy volume, and that's just really how it is. We need retail to buy this stock up in order to get that squeeze to occur. If retail does not talk about it, then yes, there's not going to be a squeeze. I hate to say it, but it's just the facts, guys. It's just the facts, and we're going to have to face it. Anyways, guys, we have 20 mentions in the past hour. Again, not really comparing to anything else. And we go to the news section. Workhorse has 7 mentions last 15 minutes. Anyways, guys, we have to look at SwaggyStocks.com to get another picture of this whole situation. And you guys can see Workhorse is in the latter half here at only 2% of the comment volume on Wall Street Bets, which honestly, guys, that's not going to be good enough. We're going to need to be in this top 3 section. We're going to need at least 8% comment volume to really start running, and I think this is going to be more of a reactionary thing to once we do start running again, people will start piling on. It's literally just a FOMO central in terms of social sentiment. People don't really start piling on and get hyped about things until it already starts running. People don't see this as a huge discounted opportunity. Guys, we were at $18 a share just a few days ago. Now we're at $12.81. Why aren't people seeing this as a great opportunity? You can definitely make money on this when this thing does run up. If you see this huge candlestick, and we have gone over this already, there's a clear sign of a reversal in this stock. I really think that people are underestimating, especially at these price levels, if you have new money to go in. But some people did not hold through. Some people bought this thing at $16, $15 a share. They lost about $3 per share, and they're not holding it through, which is the wrong thing to be doing with Workhorse because it's such a volatile stock. We have seen shorts pile on to this. We have seen what they have done over the past few days to this stock in order to manipulate it, and they really did win this psychological game between the hedge funds and the retail investors, at least in the short term. In the long term, the retail investors will come back. They come in waves. They FOMO in. They're fair weather traders, as I like to call it. For the most part, we have seen a lot of fair weather traders, guys. guys. I like to invest in this thing because I believe in it, and I'm not going to sell until it hits at least $30, $40, $100 a share. And other people, they see this thing drop $3 a share when they're hoping for $20 a share gains, and it's just pretty ridiculous to me, guys. You really need to have diamond hands if you want to be playing these short squeezes, and we need to get that comment volume up on Reddit, guys. That's our job. That's what we're going to do this weekend. Our homework is to be the most dominant stock on Reddit. We're going to talk about how short interest has been piling up even when this stock has been going down, and we're going to show people. And I am very hopeful, guys. Workhorse is definitely a stock that you guys need to be looking out for. If you guys want to be doing these short squeeze stocks, it only has less than $2 billion in market cap. Very, very low float at about 112 million shares. And guys, this thing, once it starts moving, it's going to be moving fast. So I wouldn't want to be on the tail end of this. If you guys sold this stock, consider getting back into it. I am a big fan of Workhorse, and we're only going to see some good things from here on out. There's going to be volatility, but I am still confident in this as a potential short squeeze target. We're just going to need to keep waiting this one out and wait for the cycle to start coming back. And yeah, guys, that's about it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed making it. As always, if you guys want to sign up for my Discord, the link's in the description or in the pinned comment section, alongside the link to public where you get up to $70 in free stock as long as you guys deposit at least $1. Guys, that's about it for the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. I enjoyed making it as always, and peace.